The suspended super cop Abba Kyari has just been acquitted in a high-profile asset declaration case. But is this the end of his legal case? Stay with us as we put you through to Abba Kyari's case. On Thursday, a federal high court in Abuja cleared Abba Kyari and his two other brothers of a 23-count charge brought against them by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, the NDLEA. The court ruled that the prosecution failed to provide sufficient evidence linking the police officer to the properties under scrutiny, including estates in Abuja and Maiduguri. Justice James Omotosho, who delivered the judgment, said the case lacked credible proof and described it as weak, stressing that Kyari, who has served the country for years, should not be subjected to prosecution without convincing evidence. But here is where it gets interesting. While he is being cleared of the asset charges, Kyari isn't out of the woods yet. He still faces trial over alleged cocaine trafficking in Nigeria, and there is an outstanding U.S. arrest warrant connected to the famous HushPuppi fraud case. Yes, the same HushPuppi who swindled hundreds of millions of dollars in online scams internationally, including the business email compromise schemes. Abba Kyari, who is now 51, once celebrated as a fearless super cop, has a decorated career that includes a Presidential Medal of Courage for rescuing kidnapped schoolgirls and multiple gallantry awards from Lagos State. Yet, his suspension in July 2021 following U.S. indictment proceedings has cast a long shadow over his service record. He was granted bail in May 2024 on humanitarian grounds to allow him to attend his mother's burial, and he has been out of custody while his drug trafficking trial continues. So while today's court victory is a win for Kyari, the story isn't over. Keep following Pinnacle Daily for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. I am Rafiat Sadiq, and see you in our next video.